Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning the sound of letter Z. The sound for this letter is Z. The sound for the letter Z is Z. So let's see some of the words that begin with this sound Z. Z is for zebra. Z, z, zebra. Z is for zero. Z, z, zero. Z is for zip. Z, z, zip. Z is for zigzag. Z, z, zigzag. Z is for zoo. Z, z, zoo. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound Z and the letter Z. Let's go through them once again. Z is for zebra. Z, z, zebra. Zebra. Z is for zero. Z, z, zero. Zero. Z is for zip. Z, z, zip. Z is for zigzag. Z, z, zigzag. Zigzag. Z is for zoo. Z, z, zoo. Zoo. Now turn to page number 27 of your picture book. Z is for zebra. Z is for zero. Z is for zip. And Z is for zigzag. Thank you.